Alright, so hello guys and welcome to this course. If you want to learn a lot about creating tables, writing functions, being able to analyze data, or all this kind of stuff, you are at the right place. My course is really designed for people who are just starting out with Excel, who are not professionals but who know a little bit how it works, and even for people who don't know at all how it works. It's a complete introduction. I will guide you step by step to this course, and by the end of the course you will be able to create one of the projects that I put it on this course. We're gonna make the project step by step, and as I said, at the end of this course you will be able to create a lot of things by yourself. You'll be able to write down functions, you'll be able to write down formulas, pivot tables, and well, a lot of different stuffs, for example charts or any other things. And you'll see this course is very simple. It's the way I presented it. It's well, I try to be the most well, presented the easiest way possible, and so the hard things about Excel, well, you're gonna understand them easier because the way I presented it, it's really for you guys to understand it very easily. So one of the things that you will be able to do, guys, when you will be done with this course is this. So welcome, and I hope you take the course and I hope you enjoy it until the end.